Okay, video 94 LT1. Symptom is intermittent start. It's cold, it starts up perfectly. As soon as the temperature begins to come up, if I shut it off now, okay, you heard the starter click. So that's one symptom of the problem. Doesn't do that every time. And the other symptom is just cranking without starting at all. Like that. Radio comes on for some odd reason. You can hear the fuel pump run. Totally baffling me. I've replaced, or I should say, tested about every sensor on the car by replacing it with another sensor to no avail. It seems to have gotten to a point now where it gets a little bit warm and it will hardly start. Now if it's bone cold, it'll start great. I'm at a total loss as to what it might be. There's this radio coming on again, don't know what that's about. Now if I let it cool back down, it'll start fine.